Welcome to the video. Today, we'll tackle a common problem encountered when using a custom script for Git operations. The issue arises when trying to match whole words using the script's Git_Grep_sed function. Despite using the W flag in the sed part of the script, it fails to constrain the replacement to whole words. Frustrating, right? Let's dive into the solution to this dilemma. In the provided solution, the key lies in adding word boundary anchors to the sed pattern. By incorporating these anchors, we can ensure that only whole words are matched for replacement. Consider a scenario where a file contains the line, if consistency equals stiff, add _water. Git Grep W can identify the standalone if word, but without the proper constraints, sed will replace all occurrences of if, including within other words like FIFA. Continuing with the solution, the next step involves checking the version of sed being used. Different versions of sed require varying approaches to define word boundaries. For instance, the script determines whether to modify the sed_search_pattern by including and for macOS sed, or using B for other versions. This customization ensures that the sed command behaves consistently across different sed implementations. Wrapping up our discussion on the solution, it's crucial to implement these adjustments in the Git_Grep_sed function to ensure precise word matching during replacements. By incorporating the necessary modifications based on the sed version in use, you can enhance the script's functionality and achieve accurate whole word replacements. Remember, attention to detail is key when coding, especially in scenarios like this, where small nuances can impact the desired outcome. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any coding conundrums you've faced. Happy coding!